part 2. Okay, anyone want to trade me? Anyone? Please? Anyone? Really? Whatever. I don't need this much broomsticks, though. I'm gonna go buy some stuff now. Oh, I can definitely buy purple hand. I love it. Who said I had to buy that? Okay, I guess. Let's buy... Comfy's cute. We could also buy C. Oh, okay. Looks like I can't buy you. Butterfly, super cute. The puppet's normal. Let's get Bot. Let's get Baby Zombie. Yoda. Among Us Green because I already bought it. Whatever this is. A cookie. Let's get the doll. The doll's super cute cuz. Ducky. Is there any other hand? Meow. Oh, mommy. Long baby legs. Oh my god, Dolly. Dino. Bingus. Balloon guy. No. Let's get some cute dolls. Foxy, that's so cute. A dimple. Let's go for spicy chips. Scale piggy. This item's not for sale. Okay. Let's go for... that's all I could think of. That's cheap for a while. OMG, this is so cute. The Ted! A TikToks. Oh, I don't... okay. I don't know any codes. So bad. Troll face. I need that. Can you not give me this? I really don't want it. Go. No, get away. Let's go for donut nest. Yes, that is cute. Sniffers. Donut. E. Oh, Baby Yoda. 100 Robux, of course. Let's do Bob. And then let's do Boba. I love Boba. Okay, I don't have enough. Okay, now I'll trade someone. This person could definitely not trade with me because all they do is AFK. Very fun. Okay, let's see. Check out my items I got. Pretty lot. Ooh, I got lots of cool ones. A rainbow ladder. When did I buy that? That is so cool. Hi, you want to trade? Look what I got. I got something really good. Where did he go? I'll go. Hey, can we just come here? Hey. Excuse me. Whatever. Rude. Oh, hey, can I offer? I'll drop you this. This is super duper 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 rare. It's really cool.